everyone, this is Neeti and you are at Odd Stories YouTube channel. Well, today I'm going to take you on a ride with me. This ride is to Lonavala or Goa. That was the question I asked on my Instagram profile and I genuinely got a 50-50 for both the places. But today I will reveal we definitely went to Goa. So it's a vlog of my Goa trip, and from Goa we had to go to Gokarna. But what actually happened, if you want to know that, then you got to dive into the video. Before that, if you like it, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and most importantly, press the bell icon. We are in Goa! So the point is we took a train yesterday from Panvel station to Goa. I didn't shoot that because we all were very tired. We had a long day at work, and then we packed up, and then we here in Goa we rented a car. That's our official driver, Ruchika. She's a pro, and coming from me because I'm a very okayish or a below average kind of a driver, and that's another one, Chavi.
I'm good at a lot of things, but Neeti wouldn't mention.
You are good at a lot of things. I know, that I agree. Research is one of them.
Okay. Thanks, Neeti.
But girls trip on, having fun. First day, just took our car from the station and going to a beautiful location called Olulim Backyards. So on our way, and it's beautiful. Green and beautiful. Bodega Cafe. This was referred by a friend, and that's the entry. It already seems like a beautiful place, and we are so hungry. Wow, this place looks so pretty. I spotted a lotus. Aww. Oh, this is so pretty. And this is where we're sitting.
Yes,
Now it's
we're
time
getting
for
the
some
biggest
breakfast.
table.
What were you saying? Say it again.
We got the biggest table.
I know. Okay, we are at Cafe Bodega. Is it Cafe Bodega or is it Cafe El Fresco?
It's Cafe Al Fresco, but we
Okay.
now call it Cafe Bodega.
Okay, and how old is this place?
This place is almost around, it's opened in 2012, almost 9 years or a bit more than that.
Nice, nice. And is it a hidden gem in Goa or a lot of people come here?
There are a lot of people, a lot of tourists, all the Goans, they love our sandwiches, the food we make.
Awesome. Is it that local people come here too?
Yes, yes, local people come here.
Nice.
We're always busy in the breakfast for lunch
Okay.
and in the evening for tea and some pastries, something.
Nice. And what all you have? The cafe and?
Cafe, we make our own bread also. We have
nice.
a ma'am.
Nice. I can't even tell you how pretty this place. Okay, so we had some awesome breakfast and now we'll just see the art gallery. So it's an art gallery come cafe, as the guy mentioned. Oh, there's only one. What if we meditate here? This room is so beautiful for meditation. It's time to go.
Actually, El Fresco.
No, it's Bodego. Now they call it Bodego. That's what I checked with that guy, na. Time to say bye-bye to Bodego.
Bodega.
Bodega. Okay. Again, we'll do it again. Time to say bye-bye to Bodega. Cafe Bodega. And we'll be going to our first destination where we're staying for a night, Olulim. and it's a beautiful place. I'll show you guys around.
Right for a slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we about to slide. You can't let this one slide.
Oh, the guy was fishing. So that's our property for day one. Hello. Hi. Thank you.
Yeah, Santa.
Okay, hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Hi, that's okay. Hi, nice to meet you.
And that's Niti.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Simba. That's Simba. Hi, Shimbi. Hi, cutie. Hi, Simba.
No, somehow, I think
And that's the pool we'll be exploring soon. Just give you 360-degree view. Oh my god, that's the view, guys. It's a killer. The name of the place is Olilim Backyards. It's one of the hidden gems in Goa. If you're here, you should definitely come to this place. That is Chavi's room.
yes, the switches are here.
Okay.
Yeah, I will not put the lights on.
Yeah, sure.
It's a beautiful room, yeah.
And there's drinking water here.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
Oh, it's an open
Drinking water
washroom.
here. And for the water killer, you can either use tap water because it boils strong enough.
Okay.
And there's tea and coffee here. Yeah.
Alright. This is so cool.
Okay.
Other family is there. Okay, that's yours. This would have been the
Now we're going to our room. Ruchika and I are sharing a honeymoon suite. Oh, that's such a nice.
and the bank again.
Oh wow. Really nice.
Good?
Oh wow. Very cool.
Okay.
Oh nice.
That's our room.
And the fan helps. And go.
Hello.
Hi. That's the view. That's our deck.
What's on this side?
So that's yeah. So this is not the
Oh, that's a
bathroom.
washroom, no?
And the lights are from here.
Alright. Oh, there's a bathroom downstairs.
Oh, nice.
So cool.
And for this,
That is genuinely cool.
so it's hot water.
We're going to a washroom.
Today you will just let it down, you get the kind of lukewarm. And it's the left side. And then from here you just put like this.
Okay,
And then you will
then
get
the
the
shower.
overhead.
Yeah.
Overhead.
Oh, great. Yeah. That's awesome.
And if you like, you might get some hornbills.
Oh.
that's why.
And we have
Look
a
here.
donkey here with us.
It's looking.
Donkey.
Mantra.
And everybody's name cannot be Mantra.
Mantra.
Pony is also Mantra. He's also
You
Mantra.
come this side. हाँ देख रहा है.
This is 4 years. So we did some kayaking. It was such an amazing experience. Though I got stuck in the bushes. This is the second time I'm doing kayaking. For the first time I was actually a waste. Swapnil did everything. I was just sitting in the kayak. This time I actually took a single kayak. Yay! And I don't know how to swim, but it was so much fun. Unfortunately I couldn't shoot because it was raining. But I definitely have some pictures, and we're planning to do it tomorrow morning again. And if there won't be any rains, then we'll definitely shoot that too. Now it's time to change, get ready, and go for some awesome dinner. Last destination for today. Okay. It's gunpowder for some authentic South Indian food. Oh. Hello. Hi. Oh, look at the vibe.
Yeah, please.
This looks so good. We're at Gunpowder, starting with the drinks and food. That's Pranav and Chetal 2 in 1. That's not how I do. You have to see my vlog, okay? Good morning, day 2. Just got up, like I've been up since an hour or two, but came here down for breakfast. And the plan is to go to Gokarna today, but I don't know whether we'll be following that plan or not. But as in for now, we have to go to Gokarna. And yeah, I'm in my wind cheater. It's still raining. It is all beautiful. I'll just turn around the camera. Just a sec. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hi.
How are you guys feeling today?
Good.
Nice.
There's cockroach in the water. Cockroach in the water.
The plan is go for kayaking again as well.
Yo! We out here.
Where are we? वो तो बता दो.
Where are we? What are we doing?
I don't know.
We
Chavi,
are
you
at
tell me.
Pink's Via Hoi. It's a Vietnamese beer garden and you get amazing drinks and food here.
Awesome.
And you have to say, can't wait to get here or something. Can't wait to
Ta-da-ta-ta-ta.
try the food. Whoa! We are excited.
Finger looking good.
Okay, let's just go. Oh my god. Those were my day 1 and day 2 in Goa, and the third day the plan was to go to Gokarna. But did we go there or didn't we? If that is the question you also have in your mind, then you should wait for our next video, which will be out on next Wednesday. Till the time, do write in the comment section, what do you think? Did we actually leave Goa and went to Gokarna or not? Do give your answer. For now, I'll see you next week. Till then, you subscribe to my YouTube channel and bye-bye. Before I go away, can you notice that Goa liquor in the background? That's our secret. Bye.